Hi, my name is Chris Evans and I'm Chairman of Saith Seren. We're working in partnership with Familiarisation videos to show you the layout of the venue, so I hope you enjoy it. The route you see on this map is the most user-friendly. The Waterworld car park is located on Chester Street. The map shows the route to Saith Seren and the video walks the route with you. As you can see, the car park has plenty of accessible car parking spaces. As you leave the car park, there is a zebra crossing in front of you. Once across the road, turn left and follow the road until you reach the Saith Seren pub on the corner of Lampett Street. The Lampett Street entrance is the most accessible, with a slight lip on the threshold. As you walk into Saith Seren, the bar is on your left, where a member of the team will be on hand to serve you. As you walk around the right-hand side of the stage, you walk up a slight incline to the accessible toilets, which are gender neutral. In the toilet, there are grab rails and fold-down baby changing mat and emergency pull cord. In the event of an emergency, the pull cord can be activated and a member of staff will be alerted to your need for assistance. As you walk towards the back of the building, you will find the female toilets first and then the male toilets, both situated on your left. Carry on to the rear of the building and you will find a small courtyard with a seating area. This is also the fire exit. In case of emergency, you will be asked to leave at the nearest fire exit and meet at the fire assembly point under the clock tower on Lampett Street opposite Saith Seren. Fire extinguishers can be found behind the bar next to the kitchen entrance. The pub has seating on the stage area and on the main floor, which is divided by a wall, making two separate areas. The seats are solid wood without arms, and there is also a bench seating available around the outskirts of the pub. There are nights when live bands play, which can be loud, busy, and involves multicoloured disco lights. There is also a Welsh chat session which takes place on a Thursday evening, which anyone is welcome to attend. but generally there will be music in the background and general chatter.